tracks.
Welcome back, YouTube. It's your boy Brian with Menace Mobile Detailing. Appreciate y'all for watching this video here. Make sure you guys like, comment, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel. We have a Toyota Corolla in here for a full interior detailing. So far you have seen us vacuum out the car. You see me detail some door panels and stuff like that. I'm gonna go ahead and knock out the door jambs, and Julian's gonna start with the steaming and extraction. So stay tuned throughout the video. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what we're doing and how we're detailing as two mobile detailing setups. So we're gonna go ahead and show you guys both the detailing setups and kind of how we're doing stuff here. So we have my setup here. We have the steamer with the electrical cord plugged in right there. We have that connected, well, not connected, but right beside the carpets here. These are the floor mats that were inside the vehicle. So Julian's gonna go ahead and steam these out, clean them up nice and clean with his APC. We're gonna come over here to see what he's got. So over here we have plugged in, we have the Aqua Pro Vac, and then we have the Tornador as well. So far we vacuumed it out. I finished detailing the interior. Julian's starting with the steamer and stuff like that. I'm gonna go ahead and do the door jambs like I said. So I'm gonna go ahead and spray that out. Pressure washer gun over here.
claim to be the creator, but I'm a savior. I take the strange variables of human life and make something out of the crazy quilt. that saves hundreds of lives.